starting now, effective immediately, 10% of all sales from both ukelikethepros.com and store.ukelikethepros.com are going to be given to Feeding America. They're doing some really great things right now. They're helping feed kids, especially that normally get lunches, breakfasts, food at school. Those school districts have been shut down. Those kids don't have access to food. So they're helping, making sure those kids are still getting food. So it doesn't matter if you buy a course, a membership, ukulele, some strings, humidifier, 10% of all sales going towards Feeding America. Just our little part of trying to help out and help everybody get through this together, which we can. Stay loving, stay peaceful, and stay calm, and we will get through this. We will get through this. So just doing our part, our little part to help out. So again, 10% of all sales from ukelikethepros.com and store.ukelikethepros.com will be given to Feeding America. So thank you all for your support, and let's do it. Let's get through this thing together.